Welcome back to class.
Chapter 5 Emerging Modes of Business, Class 11 Business Studies. This chapter focuses on the modern ways in which business is conducted, especially with the help of technology. It highlights how traditional business is shifting towards e-business, outsourcing, and other it-enabled services. Here's a simplified explanation with examples. 1. E-business, electronic business, meaning conducting business activities like buying, selling, and information sharing using the internet. Examples: Amazon sells products online through a website. Zomato, Swiggy food ordering and delivery through mobile apps. Benefits: no need for a physical store. Can reach customers globally. Works 24/7. 2. Scope of e-business. A business covers B2B, business to business, one business selling to another. Example: a wholesaler selling fabric to a clothing brand online. B2C, business to consumer, direct sale to customers. Example: Flipkart selling mobile phones to customers. Intra-B, internal business processes within a company. Example: employees using an internal portal to apply for leave. C2C, consumer to consumer, people selling to each other. Example: selling used books on OLX or eBay. 3. Benefits of e-business. Easy to start. Lower cost than physical business. Global reach. Fast communication. Improved customer service. 4. Limitations of e-business. Risk of data theft or hacking. Lack of personal touch. Need for internet and digital skills. Delay in delivery sometimes. 5. Outsourcing, meaning hiring outside firms to perform business functions that were traditionally done in-house. Examples: a company hires a catering service instead of running its own canteen. A business hires an IT company to manage its website. Types: manufacturing outsourcing, AIG, Apple outsourcing phone production to Foxconn, IT outsourcing, AIG, tech support from companies in India, customer service outsourcing. Chair: smart business process through BPO and KPO. BPO, business process outsourcing, non-core business activities like customer care, payroll, etc. KPO, knowledge process outsourcing, high-level tasks like research, data analysis, legal advice. Example: a US law firm outsourcing legal research work to an Indian company, KPO.